So next layer. I think I'm going to make a sub tutorial because the way I do my sub is a lot different to most artists. So the key of this chain is just to make the sub or the lower end as powerful as possible. So bass rider. So what this does is it just keeps, similar to the compressor, it keeps everything like not everything like not moving too dynamically. So if it's too loud, it will turn it down. If it's too quiet, it will turn it up. But with a compressor, compressors can add, especially analog compressors, they can add other elements to it, like other frequencies that you don't want, especially with the analog compressors. So yeah, I did it with this. The point of this plugin is it's just a volume, an automated volume knob, or a self-automated volume parameter. So you don't get the color, the extra color you get from a compressor is literally just volume. So you set the target here. You set the target here like a threshold, and then it will move and try and keep it at that target. So then it goes, and that's the input, the yellow bar. So look, so when you hear the duh, duh, and you see the bars there, this knob moves up completely. So yeah, up, and then because it's trying to keep it in this area here, I've set the sensitivity to high, so it goes up. It reacts as fast as it can. So yeah, that's basically a compressor with no color. That's the way I use that plugin. So sub R bass again. So you know I set it to double this value here in the previous layer. I've just set it at the fundamental around the sub range, and then added more to it here. Turn it off. So with this you hear like more harmonics in the sub end, but don't make it overwhelming, so you still hear that it's a sub. This contributes to this. So this is only subtle. And then this is like another subtle lower end effect. And here you can see I've set it at 93. Oh my goodness. At 93 hertz. So yeah, these were set to taste. Off. On. So yeah, you really hear the sub in this, and not just feel it with these effects. Because all of these added harmonics, I've just tamed them with the EQ. So you actually hear the sub a bit more because of these aren't colliding very much, or as much as they were. And you get all these harmonics here that you wouldn't normally see in a sub, but these plugins are really good at making the sub a bit more audible. I've turned it up at the end. So let's just group everything. So off, on. So yeah, just makes it stand out a bit more. So yeah, you hear more of the harmonics in the sub.
1
Daddy.
to 45 is 45 to
Alright.
50, but I don't think that's true.
Yeah.
Daddy, go to your ship person. The
There's
guy
no-
wrote the guy by the ship thing. Go look in that box
Go look in the box.
for the ship.
Oh, for the ship.
Mhm. Did I get you?
Yeah. You